Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Crohn's Cookbook is probably one of the most important resources for anyone managing Crohn's disease through diet. It empowers individuals to take control of their health by providing a wealth of recipes specifically designed to be gentle on the digestive system while still delivering delicious and satisfying meals. This cookbook offers a practical guide to creating a personalized eating plan that supports overall well-being. Number 5. Low-FODMAP Recipe Book, IBS, Crohn's Relief. Are you tired of digestive discomfort? This book is designed to help. It offers a solution for those struggling with IBS, Crohn's disease, and other digestive issues. This book provides an 8-week plan to help you find relief. It's a structured program to guide you through dietary changes and symptom management. Discover delicious, easy-to-follow recipes. They are specifically created to minimize FODMAPs, which can trigger digestive symptoms. This book aims to help you reduce symptoms. It is a practical guide to help you take control of your digestive health. Start your journey to better digestive health today. This book is your companion for a healthier, more comfortable life. What we like. This book focuses on low FODMAP recipes, which are designed to ease digestive issues. It's all about managing symptoms through diet. If you're experiencing IBS or Crohn's symptoms and seeking immediate relief, this book is a great choice. It offers a structured approach to managing your diet for better gut health. What people say. There's about 15 pages of info at the beginning about the diet, including a list of what to avoid and what to limit, then so many pages of awesome recipes. It has very tasty recipes and gives you quite a variety on dishes. I love that this recipe book has pictures, as well as a great list for foods that are acceptable to eat. Number 4. Crohn's Disease Cookbook, Recipes and Meal Plans. Are you looking for ways to manage Crohn's disease through diet? This cookbook offers 100 recipes designed to alleviate symptoms. It provides a practical approach to eating well while living with Crohn's. This book features a variety of recipes, carefully crafted to be gentle on the digestive system. Each recipe is designed to help reduce inflammation and promote overall well-being. You'll find options for every meal, from breakfast to dinner. Struggling with meal planning? The cookbook includes 2 weeks of pre-planned meals. It takes the guesswork out of eating right, making it easier to stick to a beneficial diet. It's a great tool for anyone new to dietary management of Crohn's. The recipes are simple to follow, with clear instructions and readily available ingredients. It's designed for all skill levels, so you can start cooking healthy meals right away. It makes managing your diet simple and enjoyable. Take control of your Crohn's disease with this cookbook. It's more than just recipes, it's a guide to a healthier lifestyle. This book will help you find relief and improve your quality of life. What we like. This cookbook provides a wide variety of recipes and structured meal plans. It offers a comprehensive approach to managing Crohn's through food. If you're looking for a diverse range of meal options and a clear plan to follow, it's perfect for you. It simplifies meal planning with its pre-designed meal plans. What people say. This book is very helpful when you need to know what foods is safe to eat when navigating Crohn's. It's well written and easy to follow and understand. This book has great ideas for food and meal choices. This cookbook helps move one from the challenges of a mere do's and don'ts list of foods, to creative delicious meals and snacks that anyone can enjoy. She refers to this cookbook often and has successfully tried many meals inside. Number 3. Total Gut Makeover, Crohn's Disease Recipes and Meal Plan. Are you tired of the discomfort and limitations of Crohn's disease? This program offers a path to relief. It provides a comprehensive approach to managing your symptoms. Discover 125 recipes and food options specifically chosen to be neutral or beneficial for Crohn's. This guide helps you make informed choices about what you eat. The recipes and food suggestions are designed to ease your symptoms. They are carefully selected to support your gut health and reduce inflammation. Follow a structured 21-day meal plan designed to guide you. This plan simplifies your meal preparation and ensures you're eating the right foods. Explore alternative medicine approaches to enhance your recovery. This program offers insights into complementary therapies that can support your overall well-being. What we like. This cookbook includes a large number of recipes and a detailed meal plan. It also incorporates alternative medicine approaches for recovery. If you're seeking a holistic approach that combines diet with other wellness strategies, it's a great option. It provides a comprehensive plan for those looking for a more integrated approach to managing their condition. What people say. The recipes are simple, and you can also modify them by using alternative ingredients. The ingredients used in the recipes focus on reducing the frequency and severity of the flare-ups and help in healing and soothing the body. The best part of the book is 21-day meal plan, which includes snacks, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert for each day. Number 2. Crohn's Disease AIP Cookbook. Are you struggling with Crohn's disease? This cookbook offers recipes designed to help you manage your symptoms. It focuses on reducing inflammation and eliminating food triggers. This cookbook is based on the autoimmune protocol. It provides delicious recipes that are specifically designed to reduce inflammation. It can help you feel better. The recipes in this book help you identify and eliminate food triggers. This can significantly improve your quality of life. It is a great way to take control of your health. Inside, you'll find a variety of tasty recipes that are compliant with the AIP diet. They are easy to follow and use simple ingredients. You will enjoy the food. This cookbook is a valuable resource for anyone with Crohn's disease. It provides practical guidance and delicious recipes to help you manage your condition. It is a helpful tool. What we like. This cookbook is centered around the autoimmune protocol, AIP, to reduce inflammation. It's designed to eliminate food triggers. If you have Crohn's and are looking to reduce inflammation and identify food sensitivities, this cookbook is ideal. It offers a targeted approach to managing your condition through dietary changes. What people say. There are a lot of great recipes in this book, everything from breakfast to smoothies to delectable meat-based main dishes. This is a very well-written cookbook with beautiful illustrations and easy-to-follow recipes. It even gives you helpful hints with living with Crohn's disease and the proper way to reintroduce foods into your diet. It offers a lot of variety. Excellent meal ideas for low-residual dieting, which is easy on your GI tract. Number 1. Plant-based Crohn's and Colitis Cookbook. Are you looking for a way to manage Crohn's and colitis through diet? This cookbook offers a variety of delicious plant-based recipes. It's designed to be both flavorful and gentle on your digestive system. This cookbook is packed with recipes specifically created to support gut health. It focuses on ingredients that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. You'll find meals that are easy to prepare and enjoyable to eat. Struggling with meal planning? This cookbook includes easy-to-follow meal plans. They are designed to take the guesswork out of eating well and managing your symptoms. Embrace the power of plants with this cookbook. It's filled with recipes that are not only good for you but also incredibly tasty. It's a great resource for anyone looking to improve their health. Ready to take control of your health? This cookbook is your guide to a healthier you. It provides the tools and recipes you need to thrive with Crohn's or colitis. What we like. This cookbook focuses on plant-based recipes, which can be beneficial for Crohn's and colitis. It offers a different dietary approach. If you like plant-based diets and are looking for recipes tailored to Crohn's and colitis, this book is a great choice. It provides a unique perspective on managing your condition through plant-based nutrition. What people say. We've cooked so many recipes from this book, all of them are delicious, and my husband feels great. This book has so many handy references before you get to the recipes on things like nutrients, which is so helpful. They're enjoying the recipes, and my granddaughter, who doesn't suffer, is also enjoying playing with the recipes and substituting some of the ingredients for things she likes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.